Having hosted many civilizations throughout its history of 8,500 years, Izmir is a remarkable city with its natural beauty. With a shoreline of 600 kilometers where many blue flag beaches are located, Izmir is the city of happiness and health where you can experience 300 days of sunshine each year thanks to its unique climate and meet its friendly people. The city also offers a variety of transportation facilities which in turn ease public transport to the city. Yaşar University, located in the center of the city, has been taking firm steps towards the future since 2001 as a university guided by an innovative and art-sensitive approach that is also centered on research and project culture. Embracing a culture of science and research while also fulfilling its duty to offer high-quality education, Yaşar University is an international city university that contributes to social improvement on both local and global scales. With a campus area of nearly 70,000 square meters of indoor space, equipped with technological facilities and 20,000 square meters of outdoor space, the university offers education in modern classrooms. And in these classrooms, qualified and up-to-date academic members transfer knowledge and information to students in an innovative way, while also allowing them to learn through experiencing firsthand. At Yaşar University, where international academic standards are observed, students can choose among 9 different languages other than English and graduate with a second foreign language. Yaşar University also guides its students after they graduate as highly qualified individuals, introducing proper job opportunities and sectors to its students and guiding them through the processes of choosing jobs, and subsequently at the start of their professional lives, so that its graduates can get the proper job for themselves to pursue a successful professional life. Over 300 international students from nearly 70 countries, including the students under Erasmus and global exchange programs, as well as other full-time students, get the opportunity to study here at Yaşar University. Collaboration agreements with over 600 different universities make Yaşar University one of the top universities the most beneficial from Erasmus exchange programs. There are a variety of studio facilities: photo studios, dance studio, television studio, radio studio, recording studios, music studios, multimedia studio, as well as computer labs, CAD/CAM lab, ergonomics lab, language labs, electronics lab, conference hall, mini movie theater, court hall, sports hall, fitness hall, strategy games lab, painting and graphics studios, open-air amphitheater, architecture studios all allow students to practice the theoretical knowledge they learn on campus. A fully technologically equipped library and information center serves in a 3-story modern building to support study and research programs and to allow its users to get the accurate information from national and international sources, while also accessing the information and documents they need the fastest and easiest way. Students can get a hobby from various fields, including theater, dance, folk dances, media, cinema, law, sailing, mountaineering, and outdoor sports by engaging themselves in any of the 39 clubs as they wish so they can make the most of their time outside of school. The dormitory of the university serves nearly 400 students in a quality and comfortable space, facilitated in 2 8-story buildings where security is always a priority. Founded within Yaşar University's Information and Technology Transfer Office to support particularly students and academics from Yaşar University, as well as entrepreneurs at large in their business ideas, Minerva Incubation Center allow entrepreneurs to establish their own companies and realize their projects even before graduating. Athletic achievements in basketball, volleyball, American football, triathlon, windsurfing, and chess have been growing on both national and international scales each passing year, which establishes the undisputed reputation of Yaşar University in sports as a university. Yaşar University's chamber orchestra has performed numerous public concerts together with its world-famous conductors and musicians since it was founded in 2006, getting its polyphonic global music together with music enthusiasts during concerts, festivals, and recitals. Yaşar University will proudly continue to exist in the charming atmosphere of Izmir as a university adhering to its core values in the light of science and information. It will thus proceed with a scientific approach and a sense of responsibility for public good, as well as based on the people first principle and the principles of innovation and internalization.